Welcome to Brides of Beecroft. My name is Alex. I'm the owner. We love to think of our beautiful bridal studio as an oasis of love and calm, and we welcome you all here to experience it. From our stunning florals to our intimate environment to our custom designed scent that has been designed to make you feel happy and calm. It's so natural to arrive to a bridal shop and to feel nerves. Yes, it's exciting, but it can be nerve-wracking. All I want to say to you is that all of my team and myself are here to help you. We all have big hearts and we really lead with a lot of love and compassion and kindness. So if you come and visit us with an open heart, I promise you that's what you'll find. Brides of Beecroft feels like a family because everyone who is involved in the business is just so heart-centered. All of our designers who are so talented, all of my staff who are so caring, and all of our beautiful brides who are just so gorgeous. Bridal shopping is a journey, there's no doubt about it. And it's kind of like falling in love, and sometimes it can be love at first sight, or you can kiss a few frogs to find the one. We wholeheartedly care about bringing your vision to life. So trust us with your vision and we will move heaven and earth to make it come true. We are so lucky to have our store to be the flagship Sydney store for so many of our beautiful designers. Mutton Thornburg, Justin Alexander, Sophia Tolley, La Premiere Couture. We choose the best of the best gowns, and if the gown isn't exactly what you are looking for, we offer so many customizations. We have designers that can recreate the gown, can make it to custom measurements, can add sleeves, can change necklines. Anything that you can envision, we can try and bring to life. I personally believe that buying a bridal gown should be affordable. So most of our wedding dresses are priced between the $2,000 and $4,000 mark, with some a little bit lower and some a little bit higher. But you'll always see the quality for the cost. Choosing the right bridal shop to visit is so important. It's just like dating. I would suggest you do all your research before and choose the top shops. I would read all of the reviews online and make sure that their vibe is going to match your vibe. Check out their designers, check out their price points, and make sure that you have a clear list of styles that you want to try on in each shop. We want every bride that visits to have the best appointment. So if you have any unique circumstances, sizing, specific styles, colours, or even maybe some family dynamics, feel free to call and chat with us beforehand. We will talk you through everything and we'll make sure that when you arrive, we have the most enjoyable, beautiful, fun appointment ever. Saying yes to the dress is such a once-in-a-lifetime moment. There can be tears, laughter, sometimes we are all crying and hugging. No day is ever the same. Wear your waterproof mascara, but we just love to celebrate this joy and connection. We want all of our brides to marry the one, wearing the one. So book an appointment with us now, and we cannot wait to meet you and bring your vision to life.